In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website colors on GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your site's global theme colors and fine-tune the look of individual sections, text, and buttons, so everything feels polished and on brand. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your site's editor by selecting Edit Website. If you need quick access, there's a link to the GoDaddy website builder at the very top of the description, so you can follow along as you watch. Inside the editor, look to the right-hand panel and find the theme icon. It usually looks like a paintbrush or a color palette. Click that, then choose Color. This is your control center for overall site color. You'll see preset color palettes you can apply instantly, which is a great way to test different moods for your site without extra work. If a palette feels close but not quite right, use the brightness or darkness slider to nudge the entire scheme lighter or deeper. For precise brand consistency, enter your custom hex codes for key colors. If your brand guide includes exact hex values, this is where you lock them in. As you experiment, keep contrast in mind. Text should be easy to read against its background, especially for buttons and navigation. GoDaddy automatically saves your changes, but don't forget to click Preview to see how everything looks before you publish. Use Preview to scan multiple pages and make sure headings, body text, links, and buttons look consistent. If anything is hard to read or blends in too much, hop back and make quick adjustments. Now let's refine specific areas. Click directly on a section, a text box, or a button in your site preview to open that element's editing panel. Look for the color controls, often shown as a small color swatch or a hue icon. Here, you can customize the background color for individual sections, or fine-tune the font and button colors for that specific element. This is especially useful for highlighting call-to-action buttons or giving a hero section a distinct backdrop while keeping the rest of your site cohesive. If you've set global colors, try to stay within that palette so your site feels unified. Again, check contrast to ensure text remains legible across devices. That's it. You've updated your global theme colors and tailored individual elements to create a clean, consistent design. If you want to follow along, remember the link to the GoDaddy website builder is at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.